Hi, I'm Lou, and I've got two identical Trailmaster mini bikes. We're going to put a Predator 224 on one of them and see if it's faster. All Trailmasters come stock with these 196cc Jangdong motors, but fortunately they have 3/4 inch shafts, which will match our new one. This is the charging coil, which we can unplug, and this is the kill wire, which we'll have to cut. We'll take off the air filter to make it easier to work. The throttle cable comes in here and pulls on that plate. So you just detach it there, then pull it out. Out with the old. The Predator shaft is a 1/2 inch shorter than the other one, so we're gonna have to move the motor over this way. I'll put a link to a motor mounting plate in the video description, but I made my own with 1/4 inch plate steel, 4 countersunk holes, and flathead screws to hold them down. Motor on our new plate. Our next problem is that this carbon filter is hitting the jack shaft and lifting up the motor. With that out, the motor fits just fine, and we'll bolt the filter here behind the plate. The stock motor used metric bolts, but the Predator has 5/16 by 24 on the side and the crank. I made holes in the new plate and bolted it down. The throttle cable is attached there and there. Unfortunately, the Predator doesn't have a charging coil, so we won't be able to hook up our headlight. This goes to our kill wire, and this goes to ground. Brake-in oil. Painting this blue to match the bike. That's the Predator, and one last minute change. We had to switch to this blue bike because the red one blew a belt, but you can see it's still stock. My buddy Nick and I are going to race. We're both the same weight. I've got the Predator and he's got the stock. The 224 is our clear winner. My other videos are over there, and my mini bike group is in the description. Thanks for watching.